If you're experiencing a login failure in GTA 5, specifically Error Code 2025, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rockstar Games website or social media channels to check if the GTA Online servers are down for maintenance or experiencing issues. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close GTA 5 completely and restart it. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve temporary glitches that may cause login failures. Step 3. Verify game files. If you are playing on PC, use the game launcher Steam, Epic Games, or Rockstar Launcher to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted or missing files and replace them. Step 4. Update your game. Ensure that your game is fully updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates in your game launcher and install them. An outdated game can lead to login issues. Step 5. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable and working properly. Restart your modem or router if necessary, and consider using a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi for better stability. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the login failure issue in GTA 5. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Rockstar support for further assistance.